Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're up here at Haunted Hills Haunted Attraction up here in Merrillville, Indiana, just outside of Chicago. These guys are consistently towards the top of the charts for the state of Indiana. They've got 2 full haunted houses, they've got escape rooms, they've even got a blindfolded sensory experience, and it's all based around this town of Hills Hollow. They've got a virtual queue system so you can wander around the town here and just kind of meander and take advantage of all the vendors and cool stuff. And once you get a text, that's when you'll know it's time to get some scares. But before we do that, let me show you around the town here a little bit, and then we'll hop in line for the haunts. So the first one we're going to try here is Fear Lab, and that's the one we go into blind. It's a sensory experience.
Where are we going?
Away from the spider.
Oh, away from the spider?
Yes.
Oh, she's so nice, though.
I don't believe it. Oh, God.
I'm alive.
You're coming into the Fear Lab, correct?
Correct.
Lovely. That means we're taking away your sense of sight to play with the others while they're hiding because we're using these goggles. Well, in the meantime, I shall give you each your goggles so you can understand. Each of us have our own special ways of testing for things. Some of us prefer more live specimens, others more smells, you never know. We'll find out. I'll be right back.
Okay.
As long as there ain't no spiders.
So what did we just come out of?
I don't even know. I got slime on me. There were spiders and giant worms, and they peed on our leg. Yeah.
You wear that one sometimes? Sometimes, yeah. All right, for our first haunt tonight, we've got the Vile Brothers Sickbilly clown-themed haunt. Let's go in and get some scares.
Hi!
Hi.
How are you?
We're good.
Welcome to the Sickbilly Sideshow.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome to my menagerie of madness here.
Oh, okay.
We got all sorts of weirdos, freaks, nutso, psychos. Hi, my name's Tragic Magic,
Oh, hi, Magic.
and I lick windows.
That's
I
good.
also do things like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh!
What in the world?
Oh, it's the big guy.
Big. Yeah. Hi. Maybe.
going for
Do you
that.
bite? Yup.
Just a little bit?
She bites. She bites.
Nope. I don't know.
Say no.
Free ice cream!
I mean, if it's free, like.
Sees all, knows all.
Oh, God.
It's a monkey.
Now, I do have a trick if you'd like to see it. This is just Henry. Don't
Yeah.
lose it.
Hi, Henry.
Yeah, we want to see
I
it.
just wanted to film it. Alright, so I have this little doohickey here, right? I don't even know what it is. I just found it. Right, we're going to make it disappear together. Can I have a volunteer?
You!
Volunteer.
Yeah, you. Come here.
Okay, so I need you to know it.
You have to.
Okay,
It's
that's
supposed
too
to
hard.
disappear.
Please have a little. Alright, ready? Set.
There's a little sleight of hand there.
No. No spider.
Hey!
Oh, God.
Surprising!
I didn't touch anything.
New player!
Yeah.
My favorite game.
Oh,
Ready?
what? No. Yeah. Oh, what is that?
And you're a silly goose. Wild goose chase
Who's
later.
chasing?
Yeah.
Oh, I love her
We gotta
costume.
come back. We gotta go wild goose chase. Keep on
Oh
waddling.
my God, they're everywhere.
Want to know the secret?
Yeah.
You gotta go that way.
Oh.
I really was gonna go that way, but I can't. Uh-oh. Don't trust the clowns.
The real secret is they'll stay out of my box.
Stay out of the box.
Okay, I'll try.
That's
Oh
what
my
she
God.
said.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Okay. I gotta stay out of the box. Oh, there you are. We gotta go this way.
I didn't go far. I didn't go
You did it.
Nope. Right.
You gotta go that way to get away from my box.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Step right up.
Oh, God.
Oh.
magic hat.
What do you got?
A candy apple.
Oh, we like those.
A green one. Can you give me one?
Oh, I don't have one today. No. Whoa.
I hope you enjoyed the show.
Oh, we did, yeah. What is that? What is in there?
It's a ball pit.
Oh.
Did you earn any prizes?
We found a monkey. Where's the monkey? Oh, Lord.
Leaving so soon, always. Perhaps the game. Would you like to roll the bones?
Sure.
Roll the bones.
We roll the bones?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It looks as though we've crapped out for the evening.
Oh, no.
Crapped
What
out.
do you
I
got?
can see.
A lollipop with jingle bells on it.
Oh,
Ice
yep, gotta
cream.
get some free
It's the ice cream truck. What is that noise?
ice cream
Oh,
truck.
hell
yeah.
no.
Oh, God.
I don't like bubbles.
Oh, no. Here next door's got great candy.
Candy?
Bozos.
They drowned me. The sideshow is fun.
Alright, so that was the circus. Now it's time to head into the flagship Haunted Hills Hospital. Let's go get some scares.
All right.
All right, let's go, Bobby.
Uh-oh.
Let's go! Come on! How many patients are with you?
4.
How many? 4. Louder! 4. Let's go! Stay right here! I want you to tell us you're about to receive a present. This is
Uh-oh.
your heart, this is your body, this is your soul. This is going with you, wherever you go. Let's go!
Okay, what is that?
Go!
Okay.
Go!
Oh, I don't want that. Oh, my. Yeah. Oh, in there?
Down there, go!
That way.
Go! Listen!
Don't touch my patient! Don't touch this mouth, you understand?
Yes! Oh, there's there. Look at that. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Oh, it's time to take the medicines. Oh my, what was that? Holy crap. I think they want out. No way. No way. Bye. Oh my God.
Get me out! Get me out!
I can't.
What's your blood type?
Oh, there's something in there. I can't. I can't. No way. No. Yeah.
What's yours?
Oh.
Oh!
See, I told you, not a good idea.
Thousands of little roach eggs.
I saw some. Oh my God. Who? What? Jesus Christ.
What you got?
We come to see you.
I want the pan.
Did you do that?
Oh, that's Mary. That's my friend.
Mary?
Hey, though. You got one of these? I'll let you go.
Oh, nice.
She just stole your soul.
She stole our soul.
You're not supposed to let her have
I don't think we were supposed to give her that, Lindsay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I don't think we were supposed to. Thank you.
I smell
What is in there? I don't know about that.
Stop looking at me and trying to take a jump.
Oh my goodness. What is in here? This is a quite unique storage area. Oh my God.
Yep, smells good in here.
Watch your toe. It does smell good. It smells like a clean bathroom.
The prince has been expecting you.
The prince? The prince of the towels? Oh.
You friends! Oh my God, such a pleasure to meet you all. Come with me. Hey, say hi to Dave. Or Dave. Hi, Dave. Bye, Dave. Come on, let's go.
Can you oil this, please, first? So I can take it on the bill side.
No.
Never gonna remember that. Let's go. The dirty underwear collected over the years. This is my favorite. Oh, it's like trash, you know? Come on.
Oh my! That's a freaking live towel! That's a big monster.
Lindsay's next!
Lindsay's next. Oh, that would be him. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! What? You need to clean this. No. Yes. It's disgusting. Oh my God! Oh, the piggies! The piggies moved. Oh, those are cool. No patience.
No patience allowed.
We're safe in here.
You the one that they saved?
Yeah.
You're the one here to help me with my flesh dogs, right?
Sure.
You got the scalpel?
Yeah.
You're lying to me. I'm very
Here's a scalpel.
No, every single person they sent through does not have what I need. I'm getting tired of the line. Do you have my pills?
No, I don't have any pills. I don't have any. Uh-oh, they called this treatment?
Like you're falling behind the knee.
Time for a little shocking off!
Yeah.
I'm gonna rip your face off!
Oh my God.
That's not very nice.
Oh, uh-oh.
Welcome to Jersey!
Oh my God. Okay. Holy shoot balls. Okay, hi.
Don't you just love the smell of burning flesh?
That does not look good.
Why not?
Oh,
Aren't
this
you ready
is
to be
bad.
shocked?
Hell no. Nope. Okay, I'm trying. Ew, that's what is that?
Nope.
No, is that your sister? I cannot help you. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. What is that? What even is that? I don't. Ew!
What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Why are you in my laboratory?
I think you did it
Where are my
wrong.
tools?
They're in the barrel. You did it wrong.
You're gonna
Touch the barrel. He's gonna kill you. She told me to do it. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no, the lighting changed. What in the world? I don't think I can help. I don't know what happened there, but.
Good at all.
Look like you need an extra prescription.
We do.
Take your medication, so I'll take your tongue.
I definitely need more medication.
And then your blood now.
Okay.
Wow.
Step right on in, don't be strangers.
You're a dog?
My name is Foxtail, and I'm here to get you all to freedom. Do you understand what freedom is?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you do. See, we are the heretics, and we believe in only one gospel, and that is the gospel of chaos, the grand finale, and that is a distraction. That means you people right here are my distraction. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh Lord.
I know.
Oh God. Oh boy.
Our dogs.
Oh Lord. Oh no, what is that? Oh hell no! No! What are even the What the heck is that? Oh my, you did their job.
Up above.
Yuck! They were crab spiders. amazing. Oh my God.
What the heck was that?
That was an amazing hunt is what that was. Yeah. Oh my God.
Holy crap, guys, that was Haunted Hills Haunted Attraction up here in Merrillville, Indiana. Let us know what you thought. It's been a long time since we've been through a hunt that's got that many actors in it, getting us that many times. We're hitting several hunts up here in northern Indiana, and these guys are actually really close to Chicago. We've got a bunch of hunts on the channel from this area. I got one of them linked for you right here. Make sure you check it out. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.